How's it going today, guys? Big Dog again from Big Dog Survival School. Today I'm just going to go over a little helpful tip for you guys when you're out camping, doing your survival stuff. I know everyone's going to be familiar with this right here. You saw me make my set yesterday of it. That's my magnesium bar and striker. And the other thing you're going to need for today's project is some duct tape. I just happen to have camo sitting around, so that's what I grabbed. Basically, I know we've all been in the situation where we've just finished scraping our neat little magnesium pile, you know, getting ready to strike in your tinder bundle, and the wind kicks up and it's gone. Well, we're going to fix that. I don't have my helper with me today, so I'm going to do this video in parts. Basically, you're going to take your duct tape, tear off a small section, and start scraping a pile for magnesium, and then you're going to transfer the duct tape. I'll basically show you all that looks and steps, and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. Now, as you can see, we have a little square of duct tape there with a pile of magnesium. I don't know if you can see it. It only took me 30 seconds to scrape. There's some big shavings there. You can see it's a decent little pile. There's some long shavings. Some curly cues in there. That's important for this. Okay, and then, there's my bar and steel. So basically, we're going to take this pile here and put it onto this here. Okay? So I'll show you how that's done in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, I put it all on the duct tape. Let me try to get some better light here for you. As you can see, this makes a real mess. I normally do this in my shop, but I'm doing it at my desk for now. There's a lot sticking up off of it as well. I wish I could get in better focus for you guys, but my other camera's down right now. But you can see all those little frilly parts are sticking up, and that's important because when you go to catch that spark on it, kind of see it now. All the little frilly things sticking off of it. When I set my spark down, I usually set it down like this in my tender bundle and strike it. Those frilly ones that are sticking up are going to catch that spark. But basically, you can roll these up. It's what I do. I roll them up and I put a little rubber band around them, or like I'll take a twisty tie and cut it into sections and tie each one of these little sections up. You can see how small it is. Maybe an inch by an inch. Maybe a little smaller. I don't find I need much. I make good tinder bundles, and that's enough to spark whatever I make. It's very efficient. There's zero scrape time on site. You don't end up with all these little filings flying in the wind that I now have to clean up. Just pull this out of your, dry bag, or it doesn't matter. It's magnesium. Unroll one, put it in your tinder bundle, strike it, and you're good to go. That's Big Dog for Big Dog Survival School out. And our next video, we're going to be covering some EDC items and a couple of casual draw stances I've, developed over the years of carrying. Alright guys, that's it. And this is Big Dog out.